Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14FS and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and go to Reset Phone. And as you can see at the top, we've got the option I'm looking for, so Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. So let's tap on it. We have to verify our identity, so just do it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on Reset. And now our device will basically reset the network. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.